Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Little Nightmares outfit on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hair. I'm just going to use this hair in the old toggle in black, and then this hair too in no toggle in black. Then select this hat and color it this color CF7E87. This hat over here. For the adjustments, X at 0.47, Y 0.53, and rotate the Z to 0.38 and scale it down to 0.42. For the outfit, you do need this VIP item, so select it and color it this color, 3B462B. The hem in, I think I used this color, and then the buttons in this color as well. Then I think I used these in this color or this, I'm not sure. I think I used this color. And then for the shoes, I used these. I was gonna wear the fur boots, but I guess they disappeared for some reasons. But just color him like this color and the rest in like black, except for like the fur, so keep that in mind. Out like this. Color that white and the rest in black. Sorry, the first should be in black. And that is pretty much it, I think. Let me just put this on again. Yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.